What's up everyone, today I'm gonna draw Bulbasaur from Pokemon. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow through my tutorial with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayons. I'm gonna begin with drawing the left side of his face with a curved line up from this point and then turn it to the right and downwards, and then from this point here I'm gonna draw a curved line to the right and stop there, and then slightly inwards from that point here I'm gonna draw the other ear on the right. So I'm gonna draw a curved line outwards and then go back down to the side and stop there, and then from this point I'm gonna draw the right side of the face with a curved line downwards, and then as you reach the cheek I'm gonna turn it back to the left with a curved line down there, and up to that point. Now I'm gonna draw his mouth, so we're gonna pick a point here and draw a short line downwards, and then we're gonna curve it to the right and then I'm gonna stop there, extend it a bit, and we're gonna turn it up with a short line, and then I'm gonna draw his teeth. I'm gonna take somewhere in the middle here and draw a diagonal line to the right downwards and then go back up, and then on this side we're gonna draw the same shape like that, and then almost at the tip of that teeth I'm gonna draw a semicircle to the right like that, and we're gonna add a tiny curved line almost at the end of the mouth here for the tongue, and then for his eyes we're gonna pick this point right at the side of the mouth and draw a curved line upwards, and then turn it to the right and then turn it down and stop there, and then I'm gonna join the lower point, those two lower points together with a curved line. And then on the left side of the eye I'm gonna add a curved line here down to the lower point of the eye, and then inside of this corner here I'm gonna draw an oval shape. Now we're gonna mirror the eye on the right side, so we're gonna take this point here and draw a curved line upwards similar to what we've done on the left side, and then turn it back down on the right side. I'm gonna join the bottom part together with the curved line, and then the same as the left side we're gonna draw on this corner a curved line downwards and then an oval inside of this portion. Now for his nose I'm gonna draw a small short line there and another one here, and then at the top corner of his eyes for the left side is gonna be the right top corner. I'm gonna draw a short curved line, and on this side top left of this eye. And then on his forehead, I'm gonna draw a triangular shape, but it's gonna be, we're gonna be using a curved line for the sides, like that. And then another one below here. And then a smaller one at this corner. On his back, I'm gonna draw behind his ear here. I'm gonna draw a curved line to the side, to the left, and then go down as you reach the rear legs and turn it back to the front direction. And then we're gonna go back to the front, and slightly below his mouth here, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards and stop there. And for his claws, I'm gonna draw this middle claw on the front foot and draw a curved line behind, and then from this top point, I'm gonna draw it outwards and then turn it back in with a sharp turn, go back to that point. And then in between the claws, I'm gonna draw a short line there, and we're gonna draw another claw here. It's almost the same shape but smaller on the side, and a triangle here. And then I'm gonna take this point here and draw a curved line upwards. And then from this point here, I'm gonna draw a line to the back and stop there. Now I'm gonna take this point here for the other front leg and draw a curved line downwards, and then from this point a short curved line up, and we're gonna just try to copy the same shape for the claws, triangular shape, and then another one in the center, and one on the left side. Now on the sides, on the side here, I'm gonna draw a curved line upwards to the side of his body. Now for his back foot, I'm gonna draw a curved line from this point downwards and there. I'm gonna repeat the same shape of the claws for the back as well. And a short line here, and then the other back hind leg, I'm gonna draw a curved line from this point upwards, and then we're gonna add a claw there. And then I'm gonna go back to the back part. So I'm gonna draw his onion shape thing on the back. So I'm gonna draw from this point a curved line outwards and back in and up, and then turn it up and to the side. And then I'm gonna make a sharp turn going down, and then on this point I'm gonna take I'm gonna draw a curved line upwards and to the side and go up, and then make a sharp turn back down and to the right side and curve it to the right side. And then on this point I'm gonna draw a curved line up and to the right side, and then make a sharp turn down to the right and go out and go back in and make it to the head. Now at this point I'm gonna draw a curved line towards the ear, and then another one at the back here. I'm gonna draw a curved line from this point upwards, and another one at the back. On his body we're gonna add some patterns, so we're gonna do the similar shape with the patterns on the head, but we're gonna do it probably with a rectangular shape. One over there and the other one at the hind legs, and then one on this leg, a triangular one, and another one, a small one above it, and for the other front leg. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and find my videos helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to let me know of your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below.